What's up, Andres? And Urban. Nope, I'm not gonna be late this morning. I already saw you calling me out. I'm early. As a matter of fact, I'm early. Dragon Trader also calling me out. Look at that. I'm up. I'm on 18, 19 minutes before. Who's Dragon Trader on Tradecaster or YouTube? Early today. Yeah. I'm here. I'm here. So I saw a couple of you guys did take morning trades this morning. I'm missing something. My music. I can't put my I can't do my intro now too, so I have to just start the stream randomly. So you guys have to see me set up everything every day now. Cause usually I'd be doing all this while I'm running the intro to the stream, but now you guys have to see me. Is it 8:15? Yep, 8:15. ARC? What do you mean ARC? I'm telling you, it's so tedious to set everything up. But here, 30 seconds and I'm done. I saw John took a couple morning trades this morning. I don't know if he sold profit or not. Okay, now I'm done. Alright, now let's get to working. Alright, gappers, what do we got this morning? What do we got? ATXI again? I didn't even trade ATXI yesterday, so we'll see. Oh, ARC is the one you're talking about. ARC did come all the way back up. And then FNGR, another play from yesterday. This thing also doesn't want to give up. What else do I have? POSH. Don't like that chart. Is there anything else this morning? Because I am not liking any of these here. SOXL. There's a couple of stocks SLXL also gapper, doesn't look bad, but pretty pricey stocks here. SLXL has a lot of room to make, but this is an ETF. Yeah, ETF. So I don't know that I like that. All right, so let's look at the gappers, and I think we got a couple of stocks to look from yesterday's and see if we get some continuation. So good morning, Urban. Good morning, Crypto. John, I saw you take some trades this morning, John. I don't know if you did good or not. Good morning, Andres. Omar on YouTube, Believe on YouTube, Robin on YouTube, Jesse on YouTube. Good morning, everybody. And AAJ back on Tradecaster. I need to ask who Dragon Trader is on Discord. Yes, this is the time I trade now. From TikTok, yes. 8:30 is when the market opens, so we got 12 minutes until it opens. Nothing interested in the moment, correct. So let me look at ATXI just real quick again. So we put in a new high, 16.8 on ATXI. So I had a red candle yesterday, and then for some reason this morning, again, the stock just does not want to give up, push right back up. I would want for ATXI, if I was to take a trade, to reclaim that 1550 level from yesterday's high. So yesterday's high, you could see it was respected today. Get a 1550 there and see if we get another run. But you could see it kind of already tried doing that. So it broke out of it, retested 5050, and then tried getting a new high and already failed. So we're gonna be careful with ATXI, especially with ATXI. This thing has been trading for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, like 9, 10 days we've been trading ATXI. So, and I feel like we've done pretty good overall, or at least I have on ATXI. And so no need to trade it now when it's so high, so overextended, so risky, it could flush or anything like that. Silver is one of the ones that I want to go look. So let me take a look at AERC. Hit a high yesterday at 505 and kind of giving it all back. I think this is the one Zach said, or somebody said that it didn't hold up at all. Overall market looking good. I'm hoping something pops in the open. Good morning, Rob. ATXI so far at the trend. Okay. AERC does have a pretty nice downtrend as well. I mean, you can see it right here on my chart, guys. I actually don't know where you now. That's why I'm asking how. Yeah, the market is about to open here in 10 minutes, which is when I mostly trade the first hour or 2 hours of market open. So AERC has a pretty obvious downtrend, so we'll see if we get a break on that. And then AERC starts moving up. Daily looks like we popped up to 505, so we got some room on the daily. 200 moving average is up here closer to $6, so pretty close. $1 more, we might be able to test those 200 moving averages. That 200 moving average. So let me throw that one on here on the side. FNGR also play. I think this one started Friday afternoon. Gosh dang, man. What the heck? Shoot, I wonder if FNGR is going for all-time high 17. Well, in the last year, $17. This thing has been ripping. Can you imagine holding if you bought it that Friday that started gapping up? That's insane, right? Like if you bought it Friday for like $2 and now you're sitting on a stock that's up $8 a share at $10. Crazy. So let's see, FNGR. What are our daily levels? There's probably like nothing over here. So the next level. Actually, we got some daily levels up here. 892 and then 925. So we got 2 daily levels there. After that, we got room on this thing to 11, 12. I can't even see this. It's so choppy back there. We got a big one at 1382. and then after that, that's $17. A lot of talk around FNGR. I mean, we'll see if this one keeps holding. We got some daily pivots there around 9.25 and $9, pretty close to these two right here. So I would like to see if we get over those and start holding 9.25. And you can see it's kind of a pretty pivot, important pivot on this stock. So bounces off of that level, it rips through, bounces off the second level, and then on the way down, bounces off of that one, bounces off of that one, and then pulls back. So we'll see if we pop up, start holding 9.20s, 8.90s, and then make that move again back up to $10. So FNGR definitely big watch, but it's getting riskier. So you guys just downsize a little bit on your trades here on this one. First few days is like, okay, yeah, this stock is going from 250 to 260 to 280 to $3. So this whole day, this stock barely moved from 2.4 to 3.8. That's about $1.40, right? And if you look at today, just the range between pre-market and post-market yesterday, it's gone from 7.5 to 10. So it went from $1.40 range to a dollar to like almost $3 range. So good morning, Marcia. Good morning, the trade. Already said that. Ape Trades. Good morning. Do your charts include post-market data? Yes. So you see this dotted line right here. This dotted line to the black is pre-market, and this dotted line to the black in the back is post-market. So this is after hours, and then this is pre-market hours. So that means this move yesterday was after hours for FNGR. I actually saw this start to happen yesterday, and I was so tempted to buy throughout here. I was like, this thing is just gonna go crazy. But I want this move here. Why can't we get that during market open? Okay, so that was ATXI. I was watching AERC, but it's pretty being down, and all I'm looking for is just downtrend and see if we start coming back up on AERC. Posh was another one that was on my gappers list. Doesn't look the best. SOXL was another one that was on my gappers list, but this is going to be an ETF, so maybe not the best movement here. But let me look at some other ones. So I know some of these stocks were called out yesterday, and they did okay. KPRX, I mean, I'm just going to put an alert for high of day on this one. OBLG had a very nice opening yesterday. I'll put an alert at like 40 cents in case this one pops right back up. LTRY, same thing, put alert up here closer to 35 cents. Nothing that I like so far, but in case any of these pop up, then I'm ready for it. SOBR is the one I wanted to look at. SOBR looks pretty good. Put in another decent high this morning at 365, and SOBR's chart still has room to the 200 moving average. Still has room to the 200 moving average, and we have a 386 high from yesterday. Looking for that one to get up to $4, and after that, $4.50, almost $5 for that 200 moving average. But I got a lot of lines on this one, so let me delete some. So that on delete. So the daily level is 337. I'm gonna leave that one. 365 is that one. 385 is a high. $4. I don't know what 417 is, so I'm gonna delete 417. And then I don't need this one. So SOBR on watch. I want to see if SOBR wants to keep running. The other one that I wanted to look at again just to see how it looks is, well, I guess I'll keep going through my chart. Not that one. MLCO. I don't remember what the float on this one is. But MLCO right back up to the 200 moving average as well. So I don't know if this one's got a squeeze in it or not. Would be interested to see if this one squeezes here. But that's not the one I'm looking for. ADTX is what I'm looking for. ADTX is what I was looking for, which is still holding. ADTX, if we get back to like $6, that's the start of a pretty big gap fill, which I don't know that we can fill it, but I think we might have some room up to $6. And this one's holding 4. Broke that high of yesterday of like 416. So we'll keep an eye on that one. SCT99, what's up? Blair, good morning, man. Blair, why did you say good morning to Urban Trades only? How do you know what market to go in? FNGR new high? I don't know. I think so, man. How do you know what market to go in? What do you mean? I just watch gappers every morning, and that's what I'm looking to trade. I got my little hand heater this time. He gave me a coffee emoji. Oh. ADTX, I got in too early yesterday. Dang. Alright, guys, we got a little bit under 2 minutes right now for this market to open. Main watch, I guess. FNGR and ATXI. Is there any other stocks? I mean, I'm looking at SOBR just in case, and I'm looking at ADTX just in case. Let me keep surfing. SNTI, also possible trade. SNTI breaking through the 200 moving average yesterday. Still has another high to put in, or that Cat had put in today. A lot of resistance on that one around 2.7. Around 2.7 on SNTI. What's up, Tamimi? So a lot of resistance on this one around 2.7, but let's keep an eye on it. That's SNTI. And then FNCH, this was a cheap stock from yesterday. A lot of cheap stocks. Let's see if this one gets back over that 50. Alert there. Beat got destroyed yesterday, so I'm not that interested on that one. CSCW putting alerts up here closer to 150. WLDS also kind of holding its move. Let's put an alert up here closer to VWAP. And market is about to open pretty soon, so let me go back and look at, I guess, FNGR. FNGR, remember guys, I got daily pivots at closer to $9, so let's see if we get back up there and start holding those. What you watching for open? FNG, nothing like, I think, nothing that I'm going to take a quick trade on, so let's just be patient and wait for the setups. Good morning, John, on YouTube. Wish I could get my head around this, man. I'm all over the place, man. I'm all over the place. Let me make sure I'm on the right account. Yep. Alright, market is open. FNGR dipping down to 757. Honestly, I don't know why I have 757. I would look for 750, 740 down there. This could be a good dip buy on FNGR, but I'm not going to rush anything today. Oh my god, SNTI, guys. SNTI, instant pop. SNTI looking to hold 270 and then break new high. Well, it looked good volume and then it just froze. SOXL is an ETF ape trade, so I don't know that I'm that interested on that one. Wish I could get my head around this, man. You can get to my level, you can get on my level. It takes time, it takes experience, but you got it, man. Everybody's got it. Man, SNTI looks good, but this volume up here, just for a high of daybreak, I need some volume. I can't take a trade like that without volume. Kano shot an alert. Why did Kano shoot an alert? I didn't look at that one today. Kano has a high of 928. Wow, look, Kano is not that bad, honestly. I do see ARC trying to make it. FNGR pulling back, still trying to hold that 7-4 pivot. 681 dip on that one. SNTI, I have a feeling SNTI is going to put in a new high, but I can't take this trade without volume. SOBR trying to make that push back up. I hope SOBR does something today. I think SOBR has a little bit more room to the 200 moving average. SNTI finally hit that high that I was looking for. But without that volume, I'd rather miss the trade than jump into something that's going to put me red. So come on, SOBR, keep pushing for us. No trades yet. Blue, somebody calling out blue. Blue, big old pop. Blue has a high of 6.6. I wonder if blue flags for us and gives us a very nice flag up to 6.6. So blue here, I would like blue to flag for us. ATXI, holy crap, man. Man, this stock just does not quit. I really like blues. Well, volume is very low on blue. Two of the stocks that I wanted to look at today, SNTI and ADTX, ripping through highs. But unfortunately, those are low volume rips. I wonder if ATXI just closes up here and sets up a nice 5-minute flag, but I could look a trade on ATXI down to 1550. That's the daily high of yesterday. Or yeah, that's the high of yesterday, 1550. I'm gonna be very careful on ATXI. I don't want to get caught up in a flush on this one. I want to see it flag over 1550, or unless I take a quick breakout trade for high of days, but being careful on this one. I haven't looked at the one that Mercer called out, so. Alright, so this is the end of that 5-minute candle. Now I want to see the flag ARC breaking that downtrend to me calling it out on YouTube. SNTI also could flag over 279, looking for $3 break on SNTI. No, I'm not taking ATXI. I'm not looking at that. Those nasty flushes are going to kill you. So SNTI looking for a pullback. Let's see if we get a $3 test on this one. Let's see if we flag over 279 on SNTI. Yeah, ATXI completely flushed. Blue looking for 662. Man, this one's going to hit a new high here. SNTI looking for a pullback to get a new high on this one. Getting a little bit of SNTI. I want to see it pull back a little more. Flag here, and let's see if we anticipate a new high of day and a $3 break. But just there, look at it, like froze. No buyers came in. There's the buyers. This is gonna rip. Looking for 2.9 new high, and let's see if we pull away to $3. Never got full share size again. I got 2,000 shares left. I saw a lot of green, but we're not taking walls down yet, so I'm not rushing to get out of this play here. I could just throw a stop at break even and see if this plays out. It's the first trade of the day, so either it plays out or I come back down and stop out break even with a very tiny break even trade or small profit. SNTI no volume, which is why I'm liking that pullback, this flag, no volume here, and then I wanted to see that rip through. So ATXI, I think I'm just not gonna trade ATXI today. Again, I didn't trade it yesterday. What app do you have? This is Thinkorswim. Where to buy, pull on SNTI. 279 is yesterday's high. I really wanted 279 to see if we get a bigger pullback, add down there, and then get that rip through 29 and $3. This one's moving past the 200 moving average, so I thought maybe this could get a nice little pop. So I'm out of that one. Lost I made $16. That's what I was looking to make if I got stopped out. But I wanted this thing down to 279, add a little bigger, wait for this pullback here, and then anticipate 29 and $3. ARC, guys, draw that downtrend that I had. Just connect all the highs from pre-market and post-market yesterday, and that's exactly what ARC is getting stuck at a little bit. SNTI is still looking good to me. I know it doesn't have volume, but let me see. SNTI no volume, nothing on ask above 290, on bid under 280. Now it's going for it. Now it's going for it. Look at that volume. That's exactly what I was looking for. Well, it actually still can't break a high though. 290 has 58 orders. Tragic, tragic, tragic. What are the three main things you look at in a stock? Targets, support, and volume. I don't know. What am I aiming to get out of the trade? AERC breaking out of that downtrend. Breaking out of this downtrend, coming back and kind of trying to hold it. This will be the last candle on this 5 minute, so kind of getting stuff there. You do have another support there at like $4, so if you could snag up some shares on this one closer to 4, needs 421 to break. But this will be the last 5 minute candle, and let's see if you get this next 5 minute candle to kind of pop down here to $4 again. And then look for the next leg on this one. So Tamimi was right. I was kind of right that this was a low volume flag. Anticipating the break 290, got the break of 290, and then I was looking for $3 on this one. But Tamimi was right, no volume, so this thing popped up to new high, no buyers there, instantly flushed. So I'm not looking at that anymore. What are you trading? Stocks. XRP going crazy. ARC. ARC has a 505 high. My fingers. Oh, I forgot. I got this. How are we doing today, guys? Have any of you guys taken some nice trades? So ADTX and SNTI were the two ones that I was looking at in the morning. SNTI made a high, and blue also kept going up for highs, but ADTX, sorry, ADTX. Well, blue too popped in a new high, but they both gave it back. To me, looks like ARC honestly even looks like the better stock now, but I don't like the chart of ARC as much. FNGR completely failed. If you guys want it, you could still try that 279 on SNTI. 279 is yesterday's high, so that could be a nice pivot looking for $3. And this one actually has an even bigger high at 335. SOBR. 5 minute is stuffed. Made a lower high and got stuffed under 336. Man, I should have snagged that 279. I was saying 279 all day, and look at this. Popped down to 279 and holding there still. What coin are you trading? I am trading the Mexican coin. I don't trade coins. This is a stock market. We trade stocks. We trade companies. Way better than Forex or Bitcoin or cryptos or... Bro, I really do need to... Educativo, what's up? I don't think I'd seen your thing in a while. Your username in a while. Sober. Pulling back. Hope you didn't take sober, Ape Trades. Okay, I got 96 people watching on YouTube, and I got 7 likes. Give me some likes, guys. Please, please, please. Hit the like button. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Comment what you're looking at, what you're trading, how I'm trading, what you like, what you don't like. Thank you, guys. I'm streaming completely free. A lot of people charge for stuff like this. You guys are watching me actually live trade SNTI again. Look at this thing. 2.9 is kind of strong on SNTI. I would see if this thing wants to pop up, breaks 293, but starts holding 2.9. Wow, instant 13 likes that fast. Appreciate it, guys. Thank you, thank you. Waiting for the break of downtrend on FNGR. I do see that. But it's kind of a long way. I mean, I know exactly what you're looking at, but it's kind of a long way. You'd got to get back up to like 750s. What's your favorite stocks to trade? Penny stocks, anything with low float, smaller price. So I don't trade the same stuff every day. I trade whatever is moving up with volume on the day, and I'm looking to make a little bit percentage off of the big moves that these stocks make. Kind of a slow day. Got in on the pullback on SNTI at 280 limit order with stop 207. Well, Sniper Trade's taking my trades. IMVT. IMVT calling it out. Somebody calling IMVT. Okay. IMVT straight up. How do we not see this stock? What is IMVT looking for, though? Next resistance on SNTI that I see on a daily chart would be $9. It's $8.99 exactly, so... SNTI order book weird. A few buyers like there's something people know and we don't on SNTI. I think SNTI just lack of volume on this one. I mean, I think this one could have already gone past 290 and up to $3. Has a few resistances on the daily above $3, 316, 335 that I think we can go up and touch if we get past $3. AURC kind of getting stuffed here. I mean, if you look at the 5, it looks pretty clean, and you'd be looking for a pullback down to the VWAP, to ADMA, to whatever these pivots are, 410. But this doesn't look very clean to me, you know? This doesn't look like a quality setup. This to me looks like buyers are trying, failing. If it pulls back, it's like sellers are already in at that point because as buyers give out, not like a healthy pullback, so. You only do option trading on SPY. That's great, man. Program, Thinkorswim. Yeah, sticking to one stock is a good thing. If you trade SPY and do options on SPY, you can make a killing if you get it down. Tesla kind of a little tiny gap up this morning and had a terrible day yesterday for Tesla. ARC looking like it's gonna go to me, to you. ARC, well I hope so, because this is the one that I'm thinking is getting stuffed or trying to get going, but it can't. You see, to me, all I see is still haven't figured it out yet. Juan, how do you project the candlestick movement? I don't project anything. I anticipate things. It's not like I know what's gonna happen. I'm trading stuff that's live. So if you were to look up a chart, FNGR is completely a short game now. SNTI to me still looks decent. I saw you were mentioning that. Look, SNTI, every time it pops down to that 279, 280, instant buyers. FNHC not worth it? No. ARC still trying. CAD, I just looked at that one again, but you know, it's moving slow and not pulling away, and it's not ripping through levels, and it's also not pulling back for us. I mean, if this had a little bit of a better pullback, maybe down to 750s, that would be a different story. Maybe get in down there, but right now it's not doing much. Thanks, Juan. No one ever responds. I appreciate it, man. I'm here to help all of you guys learn to start trading or anything. BTB flying. Robin Heat calling out BTB right at the 200 moving average. Exactly. That's a little iffy. It's always a little iffy when you're right at the 200 like that, because I don't know if it's resistance and it's the start of a downtrend, or if you're gonna get through this here and pop in new highs and keep squeezing. ARC finally pulling back. See, this is what I was scared of. This is exactly what I was scared of. Maybe I do know what's gonna happen ahead of time. I mentioned this thing to me looks like it's trying, getting stuffed. Out of nowhere, buyers are gonna freaking get out of here, and sellers are gonna push that. Look how aggressive this is pulling back with volume. BTB has 100 million float. Well, thanks for letting me know about that crypto. Labu. I think Labu is also an ETF. What's up with ETFs today? I know the market's pumping, but I mean, ARC, you could try to take a stab down here. It came down, touched the ADMA. Rome took the 409 dip, okay. And I think Crypto Willis was in short above. Nice. SNTI. Something's up with SNTI. Here's a new high. I would look for this thing to pull away up to 3. And let's see if it pulls away with actual volume, actual people covering on this one. Looks like Sniper Trade's taking his profit off the table on SNTI. This SNTI move is different. Look at this volume here. Too late to the party if I'm looking for $3, I think. Yeah, wow. 316 is another daily level, and then 335 after that. But I mean, I read this like a book and I didn't trade it. This whole time I said 279 is gonna hold. Held once, 280, 280, and then pops up to 3, which is exactly what I was looking for. JSF Val's pretty close, yes. Oh my gosh, it looks like a lot of you guys took that trade from me calling it out, and I didn't. 293 retest. I'm looking for this thing to curl up to 316, 335. Looks like a lot of sellers jumped in there, so that's telling me that there could still be a lot of sellers in this play here. This candle here has 30 seconds left. If it keeps dipping down a tiny bit, not too aggressive, but just retest 295, 293, I might get in on this play. See bids at 297. Okay, do we pull back again? I see walls at 299 again, so we're under 3. Man, Rome, I think you sniped that dip on ARC. Good job, man. Okay, SNTI pulls back down to 393. I'm in. Does it pull back or not? Very low volume here, so I might even just take a stab at it here. Alright, let's see how this new candle opens up. Missed that trade. SNTI had the right idea, didn't execute it, but I'm still looking at it for a new high and see if we pull away on this one even more. BTB, I think John just took a trade on BTB. This candle here is gonna close. Not the best close on SNTI, so I really don't know what this stock wants. You need BTB to go to 2,000. SNTI might make a move now, but it's looking pretty choppy for me. I mean, on an average day, how long do you trade, Juan? 2 hours? And usually by now I'd be either decently green or, you know, a red or something, so yeah, I know. But you gotta be kidding me, man. What am I hesitating on? Or am I just I just watched SNTI do exactly what I called out all morning long, and I'm up $16 on it. Let's see if I get one last push to the new high of day. Wallet 67 there. Never mind, $50 on it. I want to scale up, man. I want to scale up, but I can't. This was it. This was it. I said it. I said it. This was it. ARC also. Rome. Snipe those lows, man. Good job, Rome. If ARC can get through this area here and move up to 450, this thing might put in a very nice move, very nice squeeze on ARC, but we cannot get over 430 on this one. And we know ARC is capable of stuff. That's the one that ripped one day from like $2 to like 15. What's up, the Awakened one? Took some profits off for 30. Good job. SNTI, I'm saying it. 316 is a level that I was looking at on the daily. 316 and then 335, and we're almost there. So let's see if we put in another flag. Maybe a spike down to 3. Maybe another spike down to that 304. Get another trade in on this one and see if I can get one more leg out of it. Good job, Sniper Trades. Took that first trade 280 to 294 and then took it again from 294 to 311. Good job. Oh, good job, John. Good job, man. SNTI looks like it's going to rip up to 316 again without... Can you dispose your stocks right after you click, or someone must buy it first? No, I mean, I can buy and sell. As long as there's volume, I can buy and sell pretty fast. Riley Snader. It depends how many, it depends what cash account you have. I mean, what kind of account you have, or how much money you have in there. Hey, AJ up $160 today. I'm up $50 today. This is pretty slow on my end. Missed a lot of trades on SNTI. I had the moves. I had the ideas to let them go. I wonder if I get one more pullback on SNTI, but this thing has not had a single red candle all morning. On the 5 minutes. On the 5 minutes. So this thing is just ripping, flying. IMVT Hive Day. So I see this one. You guys called it out, but again, not ripping and kind of not choppy, but slow moves, right? So kind of hard. ARC finally. Looking for 450. Come on, ARC, come save the day. Leave SNTI alone. ARC looks good. ARC, I would like to see a high close and then a pullback here to that 428 level we were retesting earlier. And this is the end of a 5 minutes, so that looks good. Pull back down to like 430s, 429. Wow. ERC is on squeeze mode now. Not really, but didn't really pull back there. It looks like it wants 450. %15 on IMVT. Good job, Rafiki. ARC, if I still get a nice little pullback over here, I'll take that one again. 428, 430. So let's see if we get a pullback here on ARC. Pull back, pull back. I'm looking at volume though. That previous candle had decent volume, but I'm looking for this one to pull back with very light volume. This candle's gonna close here. I might... No, I bought way too late, bro. That was a very late reaction on my end, but still looking at 450. Let's see if it works out. If not, I will cut this trade here. Good thing I only pushed small share size still. So this is where I wanted to add down there. Looking for this flag here on ARC and see if we get that rip up to 450. I'm looking for ARC to rip up to 450. This is looking good here. Taking some walls down. 443's got 30 orders there. If we break to 433, 43, I think instant pop to 450 could be possible. Here we go. Here it goes. Here it goes. 443. One order there. There's a hidden seller. There has to be a hidden seller. Look at 443 has one order there. I should have sold. I think I have to descale. I should have sold. I saw 443 stayed at 1. Here it goes again. Watch. 443 kept holding 1 on the numbers. So that to me, there was somebody there. A hidden seller. Okay, here's another attempt at 443. Let's see if we break it this time. I see orders at 442, 440. This is the fourth 1 minute candle on this 5 minute time frame, so we could still pull back a little more. Here it goes again. It just does not want to break. So I'm going to stop out of this one and look for a lower entry. If I get a 428 retest down here, I will take this straight again. So I lost $58 there. That's okay. I think if that one would have ripped, it definitely would have gone straight to 450. So I'm looking for a little bit of a bigger pullback down to 428. Or see if we keep flagging here and get another 5 minute flag here. Try to be buying some of these dips here. Even 433 could be a nice dip. I want the pullback. I want a slight little flush on this one to add. Don't tell me now you're going to go without me and break this 443. Don't tell me now you're going to do this. Look at that, 443. Look at that, one order there. Oh, now it went up to 20. It stayed at one order slightly again. That's where it's getting stuck, 443. About that little bit of a nasty flush, a little bit. Looking for that 428 still. Not full size, but I'm looking to see if this one recovers back up and gets back. Ooh. A little bit of sellers there now, putting pressure down low. My entry was not the best. We know there's a big seller up there, so if we crack that seller up there, this thing could squeeze pretty good for past 450. There's a nice little pop. Looking for that 443 again. If I break that 443 this time, I'm going. So let's see. I'm currently back in the green now, up $100 on this trade here. Looking for 443 to bust and up to 450. That's my trade here. This candle's going to close here. Let's see if we get a small little pullback or something and then rip. A little pullback there, micro pullback, next leg up. There he goes. Now it's getting stuck at 440. Why? I'm being patient here. I mean, I'm holding 2,000 shares out of my initial position, but 440, now there's 60 orders there, 67, 61 got taken down. Now there was a hidden seller at 440. I'm 1,000% I saw a hidden seller at 440. Look at this, 440 now. Okay, there's a break. I want to sell a little bit just because this thing is not wanting to rip clean through these levels here. So back to now looking at 443. This thing could flush, honestly, so I gotta be careful. I got stop under this candle. You know, I'm gonna do this. Stop under all of those wicks here, and I'm gonna let it play out. Screw that. I'm done with that. If it works in my favor, great. If it doesn't, awesome. You know, just let it do its thing. Well, or just come down and stop me out. So, Ape Trade's up 160 today. Good job, man. Be careful. It's a flushy day for everybody. RT down 619. Dang. Let me see how you guys are doing. The names are also waking up today. Did you trade BTB? I have not. Are you... Dude, what is going on today, man? It's like I have the right ideas, and the second I get stopped out, right there, boom, rips. Looking for 450 break. That's the only thing here. 443 is going to be a nice level, though. We're still looking for 450. This is a riskier trade up here, so I descaled my share size. Just looking for a touch of 450 or a break of 450. Let's just see what happens up here. Getting ready to panic sell if this thing wants to flush on me. I'm just staring at time and sells right now, seeing if I see any green come through, seeing if this candle closes above 442, 443, and see if we put in a new candle high. I spam my mouse button so much when I'm trading like this. Last 5 seconds of this candle, pulling back. Not liking that. A little bounce and I'm out. Nope, I'm out. So right back down to $50. Hello, Han. Market hates you, buddy. I'm having a tough time today. I really am. But you know what? I'm gonna stay here and grind it. I'm gonna stay here and grind it. I'm not giving up. I've had awesome trading. Look at SNTI push again. SNTI looking for a new high. Kind of a nice little downtrend here. So I want to look for a retest of that downtrend. Retest of $3 on SNTI. SNTI, nice little pull away here. Let's see if we're putting a new high on SNTI. I'll take a look at the Ape Trades. I see your text. I'll take a look at it. SNTI, if I get a nice close here, even above this 305, I'm going to look for a pullback. SNTI, I want to chase this move for a new high. Let's see if we get a new high. That's not the big pull away that I want, and that's not the big ad that I want. I had it super high because I don't want to chase this with big share size. I'm pretty smart. Okay, there's a pullback. Pull back a tiny bit more. No, I guess not. $30 seconds on this candle. Very low volume. $10 seconds left on this candle. Low volume still. That's looking good. Either another 1 minute pullback. Should have added down there. I should have added. That was a retest of downtrend. I said that. Oh, that was a fat finger. I lifted my hand up, and the second it put it back down on the keyboard, I accidentally bought. I wanted to buy down there anyway, so I'm just gonna hold this. That's two 1-minute candles holding with low volume. Let's see if this third candle rips for us. Right here. If not, then there's just no buyers again on SNTI, and this thing just does not want to open up at all. This candle should take us to new high. Let's see if we can make it work. A lot of sellers. I'm out on that one. Don't tell me you're gonna rip. And I lost 180 on that trade. Dang. So down 180 on that stock and down 50 on AERC. So I'm down like $230 today. A small red day so far, nothing I can't recover. But I'm honestly not getting clean trades. I'm not getting watch that. SNTI is gonna pop up to 316. Oh, I'll look at it. Thank you, John. Thanks. So I am down about $230. Very, very small day so far. Well, not very, very small, but small day so far. So I'm not upset about it. And honestly, for the way I've been trading today, I kind of deserve it. You know, I had good trades here, didn't take them, and then I chased it, and then had AVCT. AVCT, nice pop. What is AVCT's daily? Did this thing gap up crazy, or did it have a stock thing? Yeah, I had a reverse split. Okay. So I've missed a lot of comments today too, guys. I was pretty focused on both of those trades. I was in for a while, so I'm sure I missed a couple of comments. Not because I'm trying to ignore you guys, but I was focused. So let me see. AERC 5-minute flag. ARC flag, I was still looking down for that 428. Or even 430s. This is a nice pivot here. And ARC is still looking for that 450 break, so PGC? No, PCG. PCG. Straight up, no pullbacks. Which one's the one you told me to look at that I was like, oh, SOXL. It's not bad. ARC been flagging for almost 20 minutes now, so is there anything else moving? I saw PCG, you just alerted it. Robin He, I'm down 19, but I am too late and not too early. Robin He entering a little early. CJ Hinsell at 309. You got it, man. You got it, Robin He. You said RT's down 600. Damn, sucks, man. Did you trade BTB? I did not trade BTB. I've only traded ARC and SNTI, and so far I had the right idea on both of them, but just I'm not executing it right. So, and that's understandable because this stock, I mean, kind of consolidated for also 15 minutes, and then decided to go, and then chopped around here. Honestly, I didn't even see this, and then watch this. Now it rips. Yeah, I'm watching it. I'm watching it. At this one, I'm looking at 335. After 335, I have no idea what the stock wants. but had a high of 314 there. Okay, now you want to freaking squeeze. I get it now. Now you squeeze. You crap. $316 retest maybe, but stupid stock. I'm gonna get you back, bro. I'm gonna FNGR just completely fading. I see it. Look how many orders are at 328. ARC finally broke 450 and flushing. I don't know if you guys were in on that flag or anticipating a big move or the move to 450, so hopefully you took some out there. 328 has 230 orders here at 328. Well, it took them all. Wow. Now you do the miracles, SNTI. Now SNTI is doing miracles that it didn't do earlier when I was in. I had 316 and 335 targets, and look at that. This hurts, bro. This hurts. This hurts, man. Maybe 335 pivot up to 350, but I'm chasing. I would be chasing a pretty overextended move here. But 335 pivot, 350 move. Oh my god, this thing is flying. There's no stopping it now. I'm looking at just 350. Never mind. Look how accurate 335 was. I've heard that quote before, Jay Hart. I could still expect maybe a flag down here under 235 maybe though. A little bit higher move, a little bit riskier move, but the stock now is in squeeze mode, so shorts are having a cover here. And then more shorts are coming in too, so this could just add to the bigger squeeze up to a 350. I want to see another pullback, another 1 minute candle pullback. This one, if it goes back down to there, I will add. Pull down, pull down, pull down, pull down. No way. Still low volume flag here. I would like this candle to close red down to 324. 13 seconds left here. unless this stock just it really is in squeeze mode and it's gonna squeeze right up to 345 again and then put a new high to 350. I think Sniper Trey sent his alert out there at 350. I am not rushing to take this trade because every time this stock consolidated, it did it more than 2 or 3 minutes. It did it for 5, 10, 15 minutes. So if I just get a low entry, I'll be good with this. Come on. It looked like it wanted to pop there. It looks like it wants to pop here. Pop down. I'm just watching this stock because I cannot read this stock at all now. Urban Trades, very small green day. Good job, man. $335 daily pivot is holding pretty strong. You're looking at ARC, still holding that 428. And this is the last 1 minute candle on SNTI to form in the 5 minute time frame, which will be good if we can close like this pretty high. This might just time it to where this candle just stays here, and then that next 1 minute candle to open up on the next 5 minute time frame will just rip for us. You know, I had another fat finger earlier. I have those a lot. Maybe I have heavy fingers. No, big fan. Are you holding FNGR? There's no back holding in penny stocks, man. Do not back hold it. That thing can fade all the way back down to $2. Ape Trade's given half of his profits back, so I guess that's a rule for him. What's your entry? Looking to see if we get a small pullback, or here's a new 5 minute candle on the 5 minute time frame. Let's see if we get a squeeze here, and then I'm looking for, maybe it's doing also what I said. The new 5 minute, 1 minute candle is gonna start this squeeze, initiate the squeeze. If I hold 335, I'll take a 335 entry here, looking for 250, 350, sorry. A lot of sellers. Let's not forget we're pretty extended on the day too, so I just want a 350 tap and be done with this stock. Sniper Trades, I think, has an order ready at 351. ARC still bouncing off of 428 down there. That's a terrible close. Okay, the topping tail on the 5 minute doesn't look good. IMVT, what's going on? IMVT is still what? Going slowly straight up? Oh no, it's just going sideways. SNTI looks like it could pop and drop. Yeah, to me it looks too. And then Zach mentioned INBX. Oh, this is a pricey stock, Zach. Big fan. What is your average on FNGR? I don't have FNGR. I don't back hold. So if I get into a losing trade, I will stop out and take the loss instead of back holding. You never want to back hold on any of these stocks. So please don't do it. BTB is kind of trying to pop up to 40 cents, new high. This is the one I think CryptoWire said has a huge float. So a little iffy on this one. SNTI is still looking for 350. Look. Yeah, that's what I was seeing, Rafiki, which is why I'm saying I just want a 350. Give me the squeeze now. Give me the miracle squeeze. Come on. Give me the miracle squeeze that you've been doing all day long. Come on. Give me the miracle squeeze. Come on, come on. Okay. Okay. Finally something. Not the best trade, but made back $150 just there. So now I'm at a very, very small red day, and it's totally manageable. ARC trying to climb back up to 450 on ARC. So not the cleanest trade, but I was eyeing 350 the whole time, so just decided to take a breakout trade there through 350. Um, did anybody, Zach? You're not holding this stock from earlier, from 279. My callouts at 279. Anybody holding this stock? Because this is about to give you $1 a share from that entry. This is crazy. If we would have gone in where we first saw it. Rafiki got in 337, tight stop. Good job, man. How do I start? I have a full course to teach you everything you need in my bio. Use 150 off for the discount at the checkout page. 150 off, and you can learn everything that you need right there to start day trading. Or, I mean, you can do what I do and dig through YouTube videos, find YouTube videos, and see what's good and what's not, and kind of learn on your own, which is what I did, but definitely took me a lot longer. SNTI, holy crap, man. $1 a share for my first call out. Sniper trades probably banged again. What is this? Out 375 from 351. Good job, Sniper trades. Man. Sniper trades telling us exactly where he's going to buy, and look at it play out like a charm. There's a reason his nickname is the Green Goblin. Big fan. Congrats. Thank you, man. Thank you. So yeah, anybody on TikTok that wants to learn and have somebody to mentor you and guide you, my course offers all of that, and then you'll have me for any questions you have. Somebody asked SPRO. I've not looked at SPRO today. I don't see anything on that one. ARC poking his head through 450 again. John sees his small resistance on SNTI at 415. At least we're getting moves, man. At least we're getting clean movements today. In October, I guess. SNTI is getting a little riskier, though. The higher it goes, the more risky it gets. And this thing has already gone up $1 a share for something that's not that volatile, right? It's not like ATXI. $1 move is nothing for that. But for this stock, you know, it's putting a good move. It's up 50% on the day. Just market open. ARC, though. ARC initiating its squeeze. ARC trying to initiate a squeeze. We got room up to 505 on this one, so we're 30 cents away. And then after that, $6 is 200 SMA if we get that high. But should you short ARC at 5? Probably not. I would probably look if it gets up to, well, I don't know that it'll get up to 6, but 200 moving average is up at 6, so ARC, if I get a pullback to 450, I will take a trade on ARC. Down to 450 with low volume. But I do want this candle to stay up here and close high because this is almost a pretty fresh 5-minute candle, so I don't want it to get stuffed on us. Yeah, sniper trades, that's right. Almost $2,000 on the day, but he is about to head off on vacation, so hopefully you paid a lot of your expenses with just today. Just today, you're paying a lot of your expenses. Good job. SNTIs look like it can pop and drop. Oh, I read that. My YouTube people, how you guys doing? I keep looking over and I see the same comments at the end, so. J Hart, how you doing today, man? Or I think, did you comment earlier? No, you didn't. ARC, nice. Still hovering up here. I want to see that pullback on this one. Oh my. SMA, simple moving average on the daily. It should be the SMA. That's what everybody looks at. Simple moving, yeah, the 200 on the daily. And then I didn't see this one. Was this an actual squeeze or was it a misprint? Because that learning from the best. Awesome, man. You're going to learn a lot here. You're going to learn a lot here. I don't know what kind of pivot this is. I didn't see if it was a misprint. I thought most use it. The EMA on the smaller time frames, yes. But a lot of the times that for penny stocks, the 200 SMA on the daily. Because you're looking at 200 days, so you're not really focused on what's priced in more recently, right? You're just looking at what's priced in overall. Small green, but missed a lot of moves today. I did too, man. I did too. I missed a lot of moves. A lot of moves that I knew exactly what to look for, what to aim for, and missed them. So this is a nice 5-minute candle close. Now let's look for the pullback on this one. Even 459, but I don't know if this was an actual squeeze or a misprint. What is this? Rome is still on ARC from 409. That's right, man. How are you so patient, dude? SNTI to me looks like it might be done for the day. If you want to short this, John, remember, look at the biggest uptrend on the day and try to see if you can get a break of that one. So to me, kind of, well, I guess I kind of see this one, which has still got a lot of room. I don't like that ARC tried to go there. What the heck were buyers thinking? You're not going to get a squeeze of 30 cents like that. Of course you're going to get a rejection up there. Man, Rome, I wish I could do that, man. It was real on ARC, not a misprint. I wish I could do that, guys. If I held a little bit longer on a lot of moves, shoot, I'd be making a killing, which I need to work on it. I need to work on it. Sniper Trade's going to trade for another 30 minutes and head out for a massage and then hit up the barbershop for a nice cut to look good on your vacation, or what? ARC, I would be looking for a small dip or 450. No, you're tipping your guy $100. Alright, did we get a small pop down to 450 on ARC? Like always, guys, I appreciate every single one of you guys that are watching. If you're on Tradecaster, I appreciate a lot of you guys that are on Tradecaster. You've been watching me for a long time, so thanks for sticking around. Not a long time as in today, a long time as in months and weeks. And if you guys coming in here every day, so I just want to say thank you. Everybody on YouTube, I think a lot of you guys are finally discovering my channel. I was averaging like 40 views, and now I've been averaging like 80, 90, close to 100. So I appreciate all of you new guys coming in. Hopefully I start doing a little better than this tiny red day today. Thank you, man. I also never buy high day breaks. I'm usually already in and taking profits on those high day breaks. Yeah, yeah. Somebody's adding ARC. Rahish adding on SNTI down there. BTB should be high watch. Yeah, that thing is flagging still. I think ARC, one tiny spike down of 450 could get in. Thanks, Juan. Junior Garcia, what's up, man? Did you make anything today? Actually, I'm red, but very small red. I've been struggling today. I think yesterday I made $700, and today I'm only giving back less than probably like 50 bucks now. 60, 70 bucks maybe. But ARC is holding this 459 pivot with really low volume. ARC, I kind of want this thing to bottom down there, 450-ish. Well, it's triple bottoming 456 actually. Zach took some BTB shares. Okay. BTB looking for break a downtrend. Here, a little bit of a spike down to 450 on ARC. I don't know what it'll hit, but I'm seeing if this thing wants to give a nice 5-minute flag and then keep crawling up to see if we get a new high of day on this one. But if you look at the volume on AARC, it's just dying right here. ABCT. Wow. SNTI, whoever added down there, good job. Hold on, I gotta mute this group chat for a little bit. SNTI, whoever added down there, good job. BTB trying to poke its head out of that downtrend. ARC, I mean, 456 is not breaking down, so not what I wanted to do. Oh, BTB is looking at highs. Maybe a small little pullback here on BTB. Looking for highs on BTB. Just looking for highs on BTB and see if we pull away up on this one. I don't expect this one to make a big move, but I think some of you guys were in already on this one earlier on, so good job. What is happening? It's like frozen there. It almost looks like it got halted, but it's not pushing up. Oh, do you see the ask? I decided to get out of that. There was like 2,000 orders or something like that on the Ask. Wow, that was crazy. Yeah, as soon as I saw that, it popped over it, and I decided to get out. AURC, are you kidding me, man? It finally had that little bit of a pullback that I wanted, and now it's recovering. I mean, it popped up almost 15, 20 cents of that low entry there. Started off the morning very well, losing 20 on options. What's the YouTube? It's in my bio. It's in my Eric. Thank you, man. Can I add moderators on TikTok? Do you know Eric? And then yes. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's what I was looking for on ARC Mersa. Just a tiny little flash of 450 and get that entry there. And then BTB still looking at highs though. There it is. I got out of it actually, sorry, so. But what's new today? Just trading like garbage. Side note here, I see a lot of scalpers on YouTube selling their positions too early, getting in and out within seconds. Your holds is what gravitates me to your channel. Awesome, Junior. SPY negative 9% in September, up over 5% in 2 days in October. Yeah. Okay, so unfortunately BTB is going without me. Do I get a small pullback just to get in and then higher rip? Oh my gosh. Damn, finally green. Robin, good job, man. Robin back in the green. I'm not yet. I'm not. Eric, I don't know, dude. I don't think I'm getting sick because I've been like this for weeks, but I think I've been so used to talking so much now. Like all morning, I'm talking and talking for 2, 3 hours, and then obviously throughout the day and stuff. So I feel like I've just been talking so much that I kind of just irritated my throat, and it hurts when I talk. Like at the end of 2 hours talking, it hurts. So I'm sorry. I keep going like that, guys. I try to mute it sometimes or cough, but no, I don't feel sick. Well, guys, days like this happen. So this you're seeing what real day trading is. I think I had the right idea on a lot of things because I know I can trade. I know what to look for. But at the end of the day, I still have to execute it. And there's just gonna be some days that you feel off. You don't feel you don't feel like you're hitting the trades or the stocks for the day are just a little too choppy. You got in, got out too early. Stuff like this. But it's important on days like this. See, it's bothering me. It's important on days like this to be able to recognize that and just either back off or just, break even day, just small loss, break even day, small green. So I'm down $97, but yesterday I was up 700. Friday I was up 500. Thursday I was up 1,000. Is $100 bothering me for a bad trading day? No. Drink some warm water, some warm canela, bro. Right. Yeah. So even though I'm taking a pretty bad trading day, I am still only red slightly, which is pretty good. This is what you want your bad trading days to look like. BTB back up for another high. SNTI actually consolidating still here and looking at a downtrend break on SNTI. So this one could have another leg up on SNTI. We're at a pretty... Oh, there it goes. Let's see if SNTI holds this breakout out of this downtrend and then gets us a look at 384 and maybe pulls away to $4. Nice little pivot here at 372. Or even a retest of downtrend on SNTI. So SNTI, big watch now. Let's see if I get a retest of downtrend or a retest of 372 and get a nice opening here for a new high on this stock. Sorry guys, sorry, my bad, sorry. Okay, little pullback here. I might just add small share size, but I want a bigger pullback on this one. Retest that downtrend for me and then explode. I want this one to explode up to new highs of days. Okay, keep going. I don't want to sell yet. Don't flush on me. Don't flush on me. Don't do what you've been doing all day. It's gonna flush on me. Okay, holding. Added back up there. Added back down there. This is gonna flush, so I have to probably cut it here. It's holding that downtrend. It's holding that downtrend. I'm seeing a little bit of buyers on tape, but $300 loss, man. Are you kidding me? I was closing it when I was down 200. It's one of those days. One of those days. I knew it. And don't tell me you're gonna fly up now. Oh, hold on. You know that stuff works. So it took a little bit of a bigger hit there, but that's okay with me. You were down 70 bucks, now up 50. Good job, Robin. Good job, Robin. Good job. So I just added about $300 on a loss here, which actually maybe, how much was I down on SNTI? $40, so I added like $300 loss. So now it's an okay red day, so I gotta be careful. AERC though. Big recovery on AERC. BTB completely flushed. AERC kind of flushed and recovered that whole flush, so maybe AERC does want more in it. Yeah, Tamimi, you did say that. You've been saying that all morning. Tamimi saying the order flow on SNTI was just weird this morning, and I agree. I think it was pretty hard to read that stock, but you know, I thought I had it, and then I thought I had it just now. It looked like it was setting for a pretty nice squeeze here. I mean, break of downtrend just under highs. Volume came in on that candle, so look at that volume come in on that candle. So I thought I had another trade, another leg there. ARC, let's see if we get a little pullback here and rip up to 40. ARC is the one that doesn't pull back. AVCT again. AVCT 2.9 high and then $3 test maybe. AVCT, pretty good volume here, almost back to the highest volume on the day. Let's see if we hold. I don't know what this line is here for. But I want to see if AVCT gets a little pullback here. What do I think the pullback is? This one's wanting maybe $3. Double topping 290. If we get through 290, we could look at $3 on AVCT. Pretty nice squeeze here. Sniper Trace posting his recap. I like it. I like it. John, were you in on AVCT or you just now saw it popping up? Look at AMC. No, I don't want to trade AMC. I'd never trade that stock. So, AVCT looking at 290 break. Look how many orders are at 290. We broke all of those orders. Let's see if we get the move to retest 290, move to $3 on AVCT. There was like 400 orders at 290 that just got eaten up. Hey, good job, John. Good job. Way to grind it back up to 15K at 3. How do you see that far up? Tamimi, how do you see that? Are you watching on the level 2? Or are you watching on the active trader? Because the active trader, if I look at $3, I don't see anything up there. This is the end of that 5-minute candle. Very nice candle. Let's see if we get a pullback. Yeah, good job, Sniper Trades. Everybody, I think Sniper Trades. Are you heading out, Sniper Trades? Oh my gosh, look at these nasty flushes. Alright, guys. Everybody tell Sniper Trades, good vacation, anything. He's heading out, so tell him thanks for all his alerts, for being part of the team, and we will see him sooner than later. Do you use stop loss one? I've been learning and been teaching myself how to day trade. Yeah. So AVCT, pretty big rejection off the top. Looks like only stocks could be AERC or SNTI again, which SNTI I've gone from trading that stock pretty poorly to now down $300 on SNTI alone. So it is a red day today so far. But I think I've only had, this will be like the 4th red day. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 6th red day in the last 30 days. 30 trading days. 30 trading days. Rome calling out crypto. Don't even mention crypto, man. My TikTok thing is gonna fire up if you say crypto. You have a good one, Sniper Trades. So it's about 10 a.m. right now. I've been training for an hour and a half. Usually this is when I see stuff die out. 10:30, 11. I'm usually done training by 11 anyways. Junior's out for the day. Appreciate it, man. So even though I'm red, doesn't mean I'm going to hang out here a little bit longer. And thankfully, I'm still decently small red. But, and I think I did push share size too. I think I had one trade today where I was in with 7,500 shares, which I don't think I had taken 7,500 shares in a while. So, so for it being a small loss with a little bit bigger share size, I'm totally okay with that. Yeah, down $400. Nothing I can't handle. Hold on, guys. Ah, red day today, red day today. Do you set your stop? Okay, yeah, it's 7:57 a.m. over here in Cali. Dang, you're up early, man. Good job. Good for you waking up early, man. A lot of people don't want to do day trading because a lot of times it's pretty early in the morning and they don't want to. But you know what? By the time those people wake up at 10, 9, 10, 11 p.m., somebody's already made 4 digits in the stock market. SNTI going for it again. If I get a retest of 372, I will take this trade again here for a breakout of 384 and maybe pull away to $4. So we got a new pivot here of 377 on SNTI. It's 10 a.m. in Dallas. Yeah, 10 a.m. here too. But I know people in the West Coast, you know, it's pretty early for them. There goes SNTI. This is what I was looking for earlier. Exactly what I was looking for here when I took that loss here. But now I want to see if this thing pulls up to $4. Lang, what the frick, Lang? Who are you? Looking to see if SNTI pulls up to $4. Oh wow, big old squeeze there. Let's see if we initiate the squeeze up to $4. I want to see $4 on this thing. Holding 384 previous pivot. No. Okay, good recovery, good recovery. 384 hold. A risky trade here. End of the day, probably if I go right on this trade, I'll have to call it. But looking for 384 to just hold and get that next leg up all the way up to $4. Candle has 13 seconds left. I just want to hold these 13 seconds left and get the next squeeze up. I'm seeing so much green on the tape. Come on. One last squeeze here. Let's see if we initiate. There we go. A little bit of stuff there. Descaling my share size here. I'm going to have to stop out. Oh, that didn't squeeze. How did that not squeeze right there? How did it not squeeze? That should have gone. Oh, come on, man. SNTI playing with my feelings. Unless we take an ad down here, but... Scratch even on that trade, so yeah, I didn't want to bounce. That's going to be it for me today, guys. A little bit more than I wanted to lose, but you know what? I have to just call it. That's exactly right, J Hard. Live to trade another day. I tried my best on SNTI. I could not make it work. And so, unfortunately, I'm going to be giving back decent profits from yesterday, maybe all of yesterday. So, but that's just how trading is. I'm not going to sit here and make this a blowout day. I'll take a $600 loss today. Technically, still green for the week, but this is part of trading. SNTI just chopping me around. So down 650 on the day. SNTI just could not get it to work out. So I think I'm gonna have to finish there, guys. If I see anything else, I'll jump on the Discord. Let me see. I think a couple of you guys had questions though. Whoever was DMing me on Tradecaster, I can't open back DMs for some reason. So send me another DM just now, and then I can see it, or I can, or send me a DM on my Discord. So let me give you guys my Discord link. So here's my Discord link on Tradecaster, and let me put my Discord link on YouTube so you guys can have it there as well. So I'm going to be done trading for right now. I'm going to get off stream and take a little break. I might come back and see if I see anything else. If not, I'm going to call it a day. Still not giving back all of yesterday's profits, so I'm still green on the week, still green on October. But you know what? I'm actually having a better start to October than I did in August and September. August and September, I went down 2,800 on the first day of August. No, on the second day of August, I went down 2,800 in August, the second day, and then in September last month, I went down. Let me see, 1,300 the first day, and then 500 the second day. So I went down $2,000 beginning of both months, August and September, and I still ended green, recovered all that, and pretty good green on both of those months. So technically, I'm still having a better start to these months than I did last month, and so just gotta dial in tomorrow, come back stronger, wait for the right setups, and that's it. So, do I use support on demand? Yeah. SNTI was a trade that I took. Yeah. Yeah. So every line that I draw is me looking at support and resistances. This last trade, very nice squeeze, very big volume. Trying to buy the dip here. I got in a little too early. I thought this one was just gonna rip up to $4. I think at one point that trade was up $200, but pulled down to 384. Decided to add there. Didn't bounce off of 384. It started bouncing here, which is when I started descaling. But I wanted to have a lot of shares to break $4 and get that nice profit. If this thing would have gone right through $4 or up to $4 with 7,500 shares, I would have made my money back and been green on that trade. But as soon as this candle closed and this one started popping up, the second it started getting stuffed, I saw that, so I cut the trade out right there and then flushed another 10 cents almost. So if I would have been in with 10 cents, extra 10 cents with 7,500 or 5,000 shares at that time, could have been another $500 loss. So I cut it out there, flushed, and I think I bought it here. Just looking at that 377 pivot, bought it another there. So I saved 10 cents, added lower, and it started popping up. And I think I was up $100 on it. I just wanted to see if it would bottom out again or reclaim that wick again all the way back up to 384 and then hover there. With 5,000 shares down there, recovered it. I was up 100 here, so if it would have gone back up to 384 and been up another $300, $400, and then had some runners to see if we get this squeeze up to 4. But this stock is up 50, 60% on the day, and I'm red on it. So pretty bad trading. I had some trades down here. I don't know where else I took some trades. I think I did very bad trading the stock because I traced the breakouts and didn't buy any dips. Every dip that I was looking at didn't dip enough for me, or I just missed it. So tough trading. Momentum seems gone for now. Yeah. Somebody was asking me asking me questions on Tradecaster. So if you have questions, if you were just DMing me with questions and I was replying back to you, send me another one or send me a DM on Discord. And don't forget my canela, for real, man. Ojalá que un día esté bueno como tú. Hey, sigue practicando, bro. Todo es experiencia. You'll get there, man. Should we stay in AERC? If you're green, take your profit. Don't back hold. I'm gonna keep an eye on AERC and SNTI still, but I'm gonna get off the stream, guys. Tough trading for me today. So down 650 total. Bad trading on my end. And I recognized that early on when I was down $90, so. Alright, that's part of trading, guys. Thanks everybody for watching. I think most of you guys are heading out already since my views have gone down. But I'm going to call it here for today, guys. If you guys keep trading, go to the Discord. If I keep trading, I'll go to the Discord. Hopefully you guys are at least green or small red. Decent red like me is okay as well. And hopefully we come back stronger tomorrow and find some momentum. So far, October's been looking good. So let's see if we can step up again a little bit of share size and see if we can get some nice wins. So y'all have a good one, guys. If anybody's still here. Blair, thanks for the stream. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. Alright, no goodbyes. See you guys later then. Peace out. Thank you, Rumsey. You have a good one, man. Treadcaster is off. Oh. What the heck? Wait. Tradecaster team, are y'all here? Did my stream go off? I think it might have gone off. No wonder I was like, wow, dang, nobody. Dang, my bad. I didn't mean to. I think I refreshed the page earlier because I was trying to find that one DM and it just turned off. I didn't mean to leave without saying bye. I was just saying bye and nobody said bye to me, so I was like, alright then, no one. I was like, nobody's saying bye then. AAJ, appreciate it for letting me know, man. I did not realize that. And everybody's saying bye on YouTube. Appreciate it, guys. So Isaac, JD Trades, Fudge. I'm not gonna say your last name. Isaac again, AAJ, Robin He. No, I did not catch SNTI. I got burned on SNTI, so. Alright, guys, I'm going to head out. You guys have a good one. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Sorry my stream was off on Tradecaster. I was trying to say bye to you guys, and then nobody said bye, and I was like, what is happening? Do they just hate me out of nowhere because I went red? But obviously that's not true. So I'll see you guys later. Tradecaster, YouTube, TikTok. If you guys have any questions, my DM is, my Discord is on the link in TikTok. And if you guys want my course, use 150 off for the discount at checkout page. 150 off for the discount at checkout page. Y'all have a good day, guys.